The Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is remarkably efficient, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it ideal for any occasion where quick ice is needed. With its ability to produce 2 different sizes of ice cubes, this machine caters to diverse needs, from cooling beverages rapidly to keeping seafood fresh and chilled. A standout feature is the self-cleaning function, which simplifies maintenance and ensures that the ice remains hygienic and safe for consumption. Weighing only 15.4 pounds and equipped with a carry handle, this portable ice maker is perfect for use in various settings, including kitchens, offices, and even camping trips. The user-friendly control panel and clear indicator lights make operation straightforward, alerting you when water levels are low or the ice basket is full. Operating at a noise level below 40 decibels, this ice maker is as quiet as a refrigerator, ensuring it won't disturb your environment while producing ice.